least you using everybody's work to get your fame. You a rubbish, why you always lying, fake complain. Made it living, corrupting millions of children in their brain. Try to see your husband, but we know that you gon' lose that case. So said I look in with cancer, man, yo, I should be ashamed. All she wanted was a call, but you could not reciprocate. Shitty videos, but everything you post is a disgrace. Looking with her till she put out like